We have learned that through better planning and smarter land management, LAMS help build a more resilient, low-carbon future. To support better decision-making, the RethinkAction project developed a catalogue of 62 LAMS, starting from a solid evidence base. Here is how it was done. We began with a comprehensive review of over 100 policy documents, including European and national plans, and most importantly, the 2019 IPCC Special Report on Climate Change and Land. Stakeholders and experts across Europe were involved throughout, ensuring that practical, diverse perspectives were included. From these sources, we extracted information about solutions related to climate change mitigation and adaptation, considering several sectors, such as agriculture, energy, forestry, water. In short, any sector directly or indirectly connected to land. After several rounds of refinement, we consolidated this information into a list of 62 solutions. Each solution was characterized using a set of general criteria, such as policy sector, type of land cover, demand or supply side nature, as well as other criteria, such as mitigation and adaptation potential, drivers and barriers, and an assessment of synergies and trade-offs. I will focus on a few of these aspects to give you more insights on how the analysis was performed. Starting with the mitigation and adaptation potential, it's important to say that this is a general assessment that was based on IPCC reports. Adaptation and mitigation potential was rated as small, moderate, or large, and we also reported confidence levels from low to high. When available, mitigation potential was also expressed with a range of gigatons of CO2 equivalents per year, which is a way to consider all greenhouse gases with one unified scale. For adaptation, we also identified climate risks addressed and potential co-benefits, showing how mitigation-focused LAMS can also support adaptation, highlighting important synergies. If no data was available in IPCC reports, then we marked it as no global estimates. The exploration of synergies and trade-offs between LAMS started with an interactive workshops with RethinkAction case studies. Participants were asked to identify combinations of LAMS that would benefit each other or that could cause competition. And we collected their input, assessing possible synergies, trade-offs, and highlighting which LAMS were the most important for them. To help users evaluate each solution, we went further and assessed the resources required for the implementation of LAMS and the impacts it might have, including environmental, social, or financial aspects. This was done through an iterative expert review involving multiple partners from the RethinkAction project. Assessments were cross-checked, compared, and refined to improve consistency and reliability. But it's important to stress that since most RethinkAction partners are based in Europe, the assessment of resources and impacts reflects a European perspective. Further, a medium-term timeframe was adopted in line with current European policy targets. The result is a fully searchable, downloadable LAMS catalog that is available as an Excel file from Figshare, associated with a scientific publication on scientific data, and also from Zenodo. There you will find a complete dataset with detailed descriptions and the scientific publication related to the work. The LAMS catalog is also embedded in the RethinkAction platform, where it can be explored interactively.